Thank you guys for tuning back into my video. My name is Veldog, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my place to yours. Let's get cooking. Today we're going to have roasted chicken in a new wave oven. Okay, what I did special about this chicken is I brined this chicken for a day and a half in some salt water and bay leaves. Okay, that's what I did with this chicken. Alright, then I added into this mixture right here that I already made up ahead of time. I have some black pepper, I have a teaspoon of that, a teaspoon of granulated garlic, I have some fine sea salt, Mediterranean, I have some rosemary. This right here I put, what was that, like a teaspoon, yeah, I put a teaspoon of everything other than rosemary. I put a half a teaspoon of rosemary. I put a teaspoon of this right here, which is that Old Bay. Right, I don't use it that often, that's why I had to take a peek. And right here is my poultry season. I put a teaspoon of that, put a teaspoon of this in it. This is thyme, and I put a teaspoon of onion powder in it. Okay, so we're gonna scoop this to the side like that, to part the Red Sea, just like that. Okay, this is what we're gonna do with this bad boy. We're gonna take our seasoning that we already mixed up. We're gonna sprinkle some of that inside of this turkey. I'm about to say this turkey, this chicken. Okay. Like so. Just like that. Just like that, man. Alright. We don't get carried away too much. We're gonna flip this bad boys over. If you guys don't know how to fold wings, just pull it to the back, just like that. Alright? So I'm gonna unfold them. If I can season this bad boy up. Give him a nice little bath with this seasoning. Alright, let's see if we can get up on his arm. You smell kind of musty, homie. No. That's okay, we're going to fix you up, homeboy. So we're going to fold this wing back. Again. Sprinkle on his back legs. Unfold this one. Get on his musty arms. Alright. Get on his scrawny arms. We're going to fold that bad boy back again. Like that. Then we're going to flip this bad boy. Just like that. Alright? Now, we'll season this side. If you guys don't have a new way oven, go get one. It is the bomb. It's the stuff. I did cut a little fat off of this. I'm going to leave some of it on there. Now, you can take some of this. See this skin? You can put some in there like that. Like that. And then just like find your pocket and just put some inside of it. Okay? Just like that. Make your slit with your fingers. Get through that skin. Get some seasoning. And just put some in there like that. And then rotate around. Sorry about my phone. They always love to call me and they be knowing I'm making videos. They love me so much. So, alright. Some more on this bad boy legs. Alright, I think that should be enough right there. Wash my hands up. Soap. Alright. I don't have no more spray butter because I used it all up on my macaroni and cheese. See, I don't have no more spray butter. I could, yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? Oh, there's a little crown come out of there. Just a little crown. So we gotta get some spray butter or some olive oil. Which I'm about to do now. Here's a little olive oil on it, extra virgin. Put my finger on top if I don't put too much on it. Alright, that's about it. Don't take much. And we're going to bring this bad boy over here. We're going to let him cook for about a good 45 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and show you how to work this bad boy. Cook. It says 350 right there, right? Okay, we want to put it on cook time now. So we're going to put it on cook time. Then we said what? About an hour or 45 minutes. We put it on 45. Alright. Then we push start. That's it. It'll be done before 45 minutes. This is a new way oven. It cooks really quick. So I say about 30 minutes is probably done. Alright, I'll show you guys what that's going to look like when it get done. Alright, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and turn this around. We was going to cook it for 30 minutes. Turn this bad boy around. Let him cook a little bit on that side. Put a little bit more oil on him. Throw a little bit more of that season on his back. Okay. So we got to start this all over again. So let's see. Cook 350 degrees. Then we're gonna go with let's try 20 minutes. Oh, cancel that. Cook time 20. All right. Let that bad boy go, and we'll check him out in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm done. There you go. That's a dangerous bird right there. And that bad boy is delicious. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and a share. Okay? I mean, a thumbs up is a like, a share, and a subscribe to the channel. It's one bad bird right there. Okay, so for a bonus, I'm going to show you what all I cooked. This is going to be the last thing I cook. Well, this is the last thing I cook. So all week long, this is what it ended up to. Hold on. Here's the bonus. Right here, we made this homemade Italian dressing cucumbers and tomatoes and onions, salad, the chicken, baked chicken. You have the greens and a macaroni and cheese. It's your bonus scene. So stay tuned in for more recipes that I'll be putting up. At least 3 recipes a week. Okay? So love you guys. Thanks for subscribing. You guys have a blessed night. Veil Dog signing out.